This brand name is licensed to Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, and the controls are only sold and installed by the Amana dealer network, but they are backed by a good warranty. The Amana Smart Thermostat is a communicating control that works with their Amana Home smartphone app as well as Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The app allows for geofencing using the phone's location to automatically adjust the home's temperature based on your location, as well as providing error and service notifications. The unit monitors and displays outdoor temperature and humidity as well as providing the local weather forecast, but it does not learn or provide energy management data. The roStat Plus model thermostat provides a configurable auxiliary output which allows control of an external humidifier, dehumidifier, or secondary heat source, but its warranty is not as good. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.